The Complete Guide to Medical Billing and Coding Schools Online, brought to you by medicalfieldcareers.com. What does a medical coder do? Online medical billing and coding schools are designed to prep their graduates to be medical billing and coding specialists. The medical biller or medical coder plays a crucial role in the overall structure and management of all clinical billing procedures undertaken. The medical coding specialist will translate the patient's individual medical record into nationally recognized standardized medical codes. These codes are then processed and subsequently sent to respective insurance companies by the medical billing specialists. Make sure your online coding and billing school is accredited. Be sure that online programs for medical billing and coding you are considering are nationally accredited and recognized by the national accrediting bodies for medical billing and coding. The accrediting bodies are the American Academy of Professional Coders and the Commission of Accreditation for Health Informatics and Information Management. The top online medical billing and coding schools. The list of online medical coding programs on your right are the best accredited online courses you can find for medical billing and coding. These online medical insurance coding programs are 100% online and are accredited by the appropriate accrediting bodies. These schools are Bryant and Stratton College Online, the Charter Oak State College Online, Columbia Southern University Online, Grantham University, and Vista College. How long do medical coding and billing programs online take? The length of your program depends on what level of certification and education you are going after. Online billing, coding certificate diploma programs are the most common level of education for coders and billers. These types of online courses are offered at a variety of institutions, most often at trade schools, community colleges, and even local vocational training schools and centers. Look for most certificate and diploma programs online for coders and billers to last about 6 to 12 months, and online bachelor's degree programs to be 3 to 4 years in length. Online associate degree programs are 2-year degrees most commonly, and they are earned at community colleges and trade schools. The result is a better degree, which could help you earn some more money and gather a higher level of certification. Saving time on your general education because it will be done online will help you to get going towards your certification faster. Online bachelor's degree programs are for those who are looking at management positions. If management is what you aspire to in the medical billing and coding industry, then a 4-year degree is necessary, though it may be more rare in the entry levels of billing and coding, but is the norm at the management levels. Most of your core courses can be done online and will save you a large chunk of your educational time. What to expect in your billing and coding program online. Be prepared for doing all your interaction and coursework online, from chats and courses to all your testing. Completing an internship while studying billing and coding is an important part of your training. Be sure to check with your school about those opportunities. Just be aware that it may be required at some point to visit your main campus, but most, if not all, of your actual training should be able to be done online. If you can watch Netflix at home, then your internet connection should be fine. You need a computer or a laptop that is trustworthy and probably within a 10-year age limit just to be safe. What are the advantages to medical coding and billing training online? We are huge supporters of online education and want to show the true advantages of it for medical billing and coding students. As you can see in the infographic image on the right and also in the detailed list below, the benefits outweigh the disadvantages immensely. Whether or not you save money and time is just the start of the advantages of online coding and billing training. You will be able to save money, save time, set your schedule, set your own pace, and and spend more time at home with your family. Are there any disadvantages to medical coding and billing schools online? As with any online program, if you are comfortable in an online learning environment, then online medical billing and coding schools are for you. But if you are not comfortable, then maybe an online course is not best suited for you. But that does not mean you can't make it work. As we have said, the online learning environment is improving daily and getting better and better for students. Ask questions and be present online as much as you are in a traditional classroom environment. You will be just fine in your online medical billing and coding educational environment and training. Before you go, check out our annual $1,500 healthcare scholarship. Come on over to our website at medicalfieldcareers.com. Fill out the scholarship application and submit your 1,000-word essay on why you would like to work within the healthcare field, and maybe you can get some of your online medical billing and coding education paid for by us.